Canon safes are designed with security in mind, but understanding your lock type and maintaining proper code security is essential for protecting your valuables. Canon safes use two main types of locking mechanisms. The first is the electronic keypad system, which uses a digital interface with numbered buttons for code entry. The second type is the mechanical dial lock, which uses a traditional rotating dial with numbers. This system requires precise turning sequences to open. Regularly changing your safe's code is crucial for maintaining security. Think of it like changing passwords on your important accounts. It prevents unauthorized access and keeps your valuables protected. There are several common reasons why you might need to reset your safe's code. These include acquiring a new safe, suspecting someone may have learned your combination, or simply wanting to update it for peace of mind. Before attempting to reset your code, it's important to be aware of some potential challenges. Some users have reported difficulties with Canon Safe customer service, including long wait times and unresolved issues. Before you begin the reset process, proper preparation is essential. Gather your owner's manual and locate any factory reset codes that came with your safe. These documents contain crucial information specific to your model. Understanding your lock type and the importance of regular code changes sets the foundation for safe security. With proper preparation and awareness of potential challenges, you'll be ready to proceed with confidence. The reset procedure depends on your specific lock type. Most Canon safes use either electronic keypads or mechanical dial locks. For electronic keypads, start by opening your safe using the current code. This gives you access to the internal reset mechanism. Next, locate the reset button inside the safe door. It's typically a small, recessed button near the hinge or battery compartment, sometimes covered by a removable cap. Press and hold the reset button until you hear a beep or see a light indicator. This activates the programming mode for your new combination. While still holding the reset button, enter your new code on the keypad. Choose at least 6 digits and avoid easily guessed combinations like birth dates. After entering your new code, press the hash key to confirm the combination. Then release the reset button to complete the programming process. Finally, test your new code before fully locking the safe. Close the door and try your new combination to ensure it works correctly. If your safe has an override key, you can use it as an alternative method. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to unlock, then follow the same reset button procedure inside the door. For mechanical dial locks, the process involves a precise dialing sequence that usually requires knowledge of the current combination. This procedure is more complex and varies by model. If you encounter any difficulties or are unsure about the procedure, contact Canon Safe customer support or consult a qualified locksmith. Always prioritize safety and security when working with your safe.